Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I've got some padlocks to make up now, and they're multi-lock padlocks. As you can see, this is my pinning kit and this is my workspace. Okay, so what I'm doing today, and it's a bit like that old cartoon, you know, hello boo boo, watch me pull a rabbit out of a hat, and that's kind of what I got today. We've all seen these ABUS 8345 padlocks with this cylinder right here, this figure 8 configuration. Normally what they do is they take a standard 570 cylinder, and then we simply attach the part on the back, this part here, see that brass part there, put that on the back, and then we slide it in. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a PD cylinder. So this is my little rabbit out of the hat today. We're using a PD cylinder in a configure 8 formation in an 8345 padlock. At standard you get these PD cylinders with this tail on the back, which you can cut the size. Here's one that I've already basically pinned up, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through and I'm going to make one up. So these little kits right here allow you to do a PD cylinder instead of using a 570 cylinder. So this is really good if you've got some type of restricted key system and it's just not compatible. The multi-lock interactive that we use is just not compatible. I mean, I can't just put a multi-lock barrel in this 6-pin inline chamber. It's just not going to work because multi-lock doesn't work that way. And multi-lock don't have, for us, in Australia, a figure 8 formation with multi-lock in it. They probably have them around the world, but they don't have them for us. So how do I put multi-lock into a configuration like this for this ABUS padlock? So this is the only way to kind of do it. So we have our tail piece on the back here, and if you can see this basically replaces, and I'll cut this open too, this replaces this brass section. So that little piece right there, that's what that replaces. Get rid of this plastic, the workbench is a mess. So instead of kind of having that, we can have that. And we want it to be top and bottom. Okay, then we take away our tail piece and we put it all together. Okay, so the one thing that was missing is the tip stop. That doesn't come with the package, but I managed to get these ones here, which are actually magnets. They're made of steel. Then I demagnetized it, and look how nicely that fits in there. Once I demagnetized it, it seemed to work quite well. So I put that in there. What that does is that's a tip stop. Doesn't allow my key to go too far. If you don't use that, your key will go too far. Customer will have to pull the key back a fraction to get it to actually work. And then we have our cylinder. The drive is in, everything's in. We now use this piece here. See this piece here? See the cutout on that? Slide that over the top. And ta-da! There's a little rabbit out of the hat, figure 8 conformation. So now we take this one here and we slide it in. We take a key. Hang on, that one's not cut. Try this side. Take a key and we should be able to make it pop open. Why isn't it popping open? What is that? Is that a bug? I've got a bug down there. You see that? You don't believe me, do you? Alright, zoom in. See that? This is straight out of the box and it looks like something's been living in my ABUS 8345 padlock. I'm not very happy with that. I'll have to clean him out. Come on out. Get my tweezers in there. What sort of bug is this? What's been going on down the back of my padlock? Ew, don't know what that is. Okay, let's try that again. Padlock is in the open state. We slide that all the way in, nice and flush. We do a test. Lock it, test it, lock it, test it. Seems to be working pretty good. Now we take our screw, posi head screw, in she goes, P2 screwdriver, nice tight turn, there we have it. So that's a PD cylinder in the figure 8 formation in an 8345 padlock running on multi-lock interactive. Not a bad padlock. Key works well. Try the other key. Yep, works good. Okay, thanks for watching.